1.5 pounds mini shrimp. Coming in with my baby potatoes. Now I'm adding in my all beef little smokies here, and I'm just going to spread these apart from each other. 2 cans of baby corn. And these are our miniature crawfish. All the way from Louisiana, they're just frozen. Can't have a seafood boil without our Old Bay seasoning. I'm just gonna come in with this generously. Now to this, I'm gonna add some olive oil because we wanna have everything in here nice and moisturized. We are going to do some cracked black pepper, love it with seafood, and some fresh sea salt. It's gonna complement all of our seafood ingredients really well. Now I'm gonna give this a little stir. Now you probably have done traditional seafood boils before or been to a seafood boil restaurant. But one thing I really like about what we're doing here today with our seafood boil, notice we have the small potatoes, the little smokies, baby corn, small shrimp, and these small crawdaddies. And that would be because this is a miniature seafood boil, y'all. Doesn't this look so cute? It's small, it's convenient. Everyone can have a smaller portion if they want, or a bigger portion. This is looking really, really good, and I'm so excited for our crawdaddies, our shrimps, everything to just cook up so nicely. All right, we've just got 3 sticks of butter in here. All right, y'all, we're finishing this up with some hard-boiled eggs. I've only got 4, I tried to get 6, but it didn't work out. Marty loves them. If you want to get mini eggs to go with our mini seafood boil theme here, you can actually go to the Korean grocery store and get quail eggs. All right, I'm just putting the lid onto my crock pot here. I'm gonna put this on high for about an hour. Alrighty, y'all, it's been a couple hours. I was doing my community theater show that I'm doing right now, but now our seafood boil is ready. Look at this beautiful feast. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for our crawdads with the little smokies, small shrimps. Look at everything in here is a miniature seafood boil. It looks so good, except the eggs. I didn't get miniature eggs, but next time. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what, Marty? I gotta get some of this delicious butter. Oh, all those delicious seasonings. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to give this a try. I'm going in for the baby corn. I love baby corns. Oh my God, seasoning is delicious. Y'all, this is so good. Miniature seafood boil, you gotta try it.